This is the third grade small group lesson for September 12th. Big deal things today: place value clues, place value pocket, and then skip counting. So I would just go with how long this takes, about 5 minutes here, and then the rest of the time for this one, so we can try and get kids caught up. For place value clues today, again, they can use their 0 to 30 chart. So the first clue says it's less than 20. So I would find the number 20, and anything below that is fair game, but anything above that is not. So no 20 and nothing above 20. Next clue says that it is a 2-digit number, so I'm looking to see if there's any 1-digit numbers. I'm getting rid of those. So these only have 1 digit, so I'm getting rid of those. All I have left are 2-digit numbers. Next clue says the number's odd. So if any of these numbers are even, digit in the ones place is even, keep, even, 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 even. And then last, the digital root of the number is 2. So remember, for digital root, you just add together the 2 digits. So for 11, 1 plus 1 is 2. So that is a possibility because the digital root is 2, but I've got to make sure that other ones aren't also the same. 1 plus 3 is 4. Nope, that doesn't work. 1 plus 5 is 6. Nope. 1 plus 7 is 8. No. 1 plus 9 is 10. I'm not to the digital root yet because it's still 2 digits. 1 plus 0 is 1. So now I have eliminated, and I know that the correct answer is 11. After you've done place value clues, then the next thing is place value pocket. This time they're going to get introduced to a pocket that has hundreds as well, so ones, tens, and hundreds. Do this together as a group. I'm actually only giving you one set of dice today so that it stays kind of as a group activity. So there's a hundreds, tens, and 1 die. When they roll, what did we get? Well, we got 400, 50, and then a 0 for our ones. With this activity, once we get to the hundreds, I do usually give kids 2 sets of place value cards. So before you even started that activity, have them go through, make sure that all of the digits are there, and putting them in order is great practice. Doesn't matter how good you are at math, that is still good practice. So put those in order. And they'll want to make sure that both sets are there. Then we're going to build that number, each of us in our own pocket. So how many hundreds? We have 4 hundreds. How many tens do we have? We have 5 tens, which is the number 50. And then last, we have 0 ones. So that's where I put my 0. And then the last step, this one's really important that it's not skipped, is let's actually build this number with place value blocks. So since we've gotten into the hundreds now, we have these hundreds blocks, 1, 2, 3, 400. How many tens blocks will we need? We'll need 5 to make it 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many ones? 0 ones. Let's count and make sure we're correct. 100, 200, 300, 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450. As time allows, about 5 minutes. You might roll 2, maybe 3 times, and that's okay. Have kids then go ahead and put their digit cards away. And the last activity is to hand kids out their skip counting packets. And for kids who haven't finished yet, I just wrote finish on it. If they did happen to have mistakes, those are circled. This friend didn't keep going, so they need to finish. But when you do happen to get someone finished, the next sheet that they'll do for skip counting is this tracking the tens. So that means they have to finish all this tracking the 2s, and they've done their skip counting 2 stairs. Their answers are correct and fixed any that are incorrect, and then they may move on to this one. Same concept here of just 10, 20, 30. This should go pretty quick. And then there will be stair steps for the 10 after that. I'm going to go ahead and already attach these to student packets so that they just don't ever run out of work. Thank you so much. Have fun teaching today.